Hey there folks, Kent Otott on the back lot here at Concordia Chevy, back on the grass. Guess what I'm sitting in? I'm sitting in a regular cab, 1-ton, 4-wheel drive, gas Chevy. Yes, it's a 3500, 1-ton, regular cab, gas Chevy. Has the 6.6 motor in it, the Allison 10-speed transmission. This is a work truck, okay? If you need a truck to work on the farm, for your business, you just want to look massively cool in something that's not going to break the bank, this is the truck. Before I fall out of this, because it doesn't have steps yet, you get to pick the steps you want to put on it. Those steps you want to buy. We'll be straight with that. But this is a truck that is ready to go to work. First of all, 4-wheel drive. You got 4 high, 2 high, 4 low. How about that, folks? None of that auto 4-wheel drive. You're going to throw her into 4 drive, or you're going to go 2-wheel drive. This has cruise control. This has some of your safety features. The lane departure warning, the forward vehicle crash alert items. Look at these mirrors. Look at that. That's probably the fanciest thing on the truck. You got those power mirrors, and they pull out. You got to hop out yourself and pull them out to make them go back further. Trailer brake controller there. You can drop the back tailgate right there, folks. It's down, and I'll show you. You have, well, you do have a backup camera, but somebody dropped the tailgate, so we're looking straight down. How about that for me being a lousy video presenter? So you're going to hit that. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Inside, very nice cloth interior. You got a nice armrest here. You can hide your Snickers bars there. When it's date night, guess what? This pops up, and your sweetheart, she can scoot over next to you, and you can hide stuff underneath there. I have ideas of what I would put down there. You got glove boxes over there, everything like that. Parking brake is right over here. Like I said, this is the 6.6 gas. Now, I did that without falling down. I'm very grateful. I have the truck running. She just purrs at 6.6. This is the Z71 off-road package. It's a heavy-duty machine. Allison Transmission. I want to say 10-speed. We'll double-check that when I get over here to the window sticker. Now, in the description or on the website, I'm going to have a copy of the window sticker. I'm going to have a copy of what's on this truck. But I'll tell you right now, $52,805. That's the price on this truck, plus dock fee and sales tax. So it has the work truck convenience package. So you got power locks, you got rear window defogger, cruise control, you got the spray-on bed liners, you got the trailering mirrors, you have 18-inch aluminum wheels on here, the off-road package. So all those nice things. Trailer brake controller, big thing. Roof marker lamps, heavy duty front springs. You got the trailering wiring provisions. So there you go. This truck, look at the length of this bed. You got the long bed on here. That's because you have no cab to worry about. You can put a lot of stuff in there. This will not last long, folks. So if you see this truck, give us a call here at Concordia Chevy. Look through the photos, everything like that. 785-243. I'm just walking forever past this truck. 785-243-8656. That's my cell phone number. Give me a shout. Ask about this truck. It is ready to go. It's been PDI'd earlier. Chris just made it purdy and got all the stickers off of it, other than that window sticker. 785-243-8656. Call me at the store, 785-243-4380. I'm Kent Otott. This is the 1-ton regular cab work truck package with the 6.6 gas motor in it, Z71 package, and the Allison 10-speed transmission. How about that? I remembered. Take care as always. Have a good day.